Let's go back to a quiet afternoon on the Malabar Coast. A weary farmer rests in the shade, craving a simple grounding meal. Nature provides. He cracks open a fallen coconut, gently scraping out the fresh flesh. 1 cup or 100 grams. He sits by his heavy grinding stone. To the fresh coconut, he adds roasted chana dal, 2 tablespoons, 30 grams. If he didn't have dal, roasted peanuts work just as beautifully. Next, the earth's flavors. 2 small green chilies, 10 grams. A single shallot or a slice of red onion, 10 grams. And a half-inch piece of wild ginger, 5 grams. He pours in warm water, a quarter cup, 60 milliliters, and a gentle pinch of sea salt, 3 grams. With a heavy stone, he grinds it all together. Slowly, not too smooth. The coarse, gritty texture is part of the charm. He scoops the thick chutney into a humble clay bowl, plucking fresh curry leaves. 1 sprig, 2 grams. He crushes them between his palms to wake the oils, letting the bruised leaves flutter down over the dish. Finally, the raw finish. A slow, beautiful drizzle of raw coconut oil. 1 teaspoon, 5 milliliters. He mixes it softly, scoops it up with a piece of warm flatbread, and tastes the quiet, timeless magic of Kerala.